I have been looking this stone for a long time, Khaira. The stone that is said to make us immortal. So you may lose your life.
All this time, I use your intelligence to get this stone.
Reina, realize this is not the real you.
What are you saying this me?
Reina, give it back to me.
Khaira, I'm... What's wrong with me? I'm like losing control. I'm...
Humaira, oh no! Reina, look, she
I
lied.
don't care. The important is I'm immortal.
Reina, I remember about our memory because you.
You think I will care with our past? It is a little of my way of getting my purpose.
No. I'm sure. Reina's still in there. Reina's still in there. Reina.
Reina will
Reina, fight back. Fight back. Just fight back. Come on. You can do this. Khaira, what's wrong with me?
to sleep. Don't get up. You have died. Don't beg anymore.
Maybe then I could finally be free.
Reina, you're still there. Go. You're never alone.
I'm always alone. Lonely.
I'm gonna carry you back to me.
I
used to have
strange,
but Never.
I'm still with you.
Fly.
Khaira, I'm trusting you. Please help me.
Never get through. You are mine.
No, never. Khaira, take the stone over there. Stop.
Give it back. Give it back.
Mamma mia.
This world is a wasteland where nothing can grow. If it weren't for you, I'd be here all alone. I know in my heart this is where we belong. This world is a wasteland. Hey, alter ego, do you want immortality? Eat this. So let me go.
Oh, Khaira,
Chill, Reina.
thank you.
Khaira, Reina. Wait, why I'm asleep? That's not important. You will for now.
Thank you. Sorry for what happened before.
So do I. You was being my friend. Our friend.
That's right. I have second sight. Cause I ever going into the cave. And I don't know. After that time, my mind is always telling bad thing.
Okay, forget it. I just sleep so I nothing to know.
Oh, my bad. Philosopher's Stone has gone.
I know, but that not philosopher stone. Yeah, that is Hillstone for you.
What?
Your perversion said to us if you need to heal.
Huh? Why she is?
Cause she hasn't something wrong from your body. The black aura. I don't want to looking for a philosopher stone. Yippee! And finally you get healed.
Thank you.